As the U.S. appears on the brink of having a COVID vaccine, Mayor Lightfoot laid out today who will be the first to get the shots.
The plans follow concerns about the vaccine's impact on people with a history of serious allergic reactions. WDN's Julian Cruz is live in the newsroom tonight with details. Julian.
Micah, top medical experts from the United Kingdom, where two people had allergic reactions, insisting the new Pfizer vaccine is safe, and that's a good thing because 23,000 doses of Pfizer's COVID vaccine will soon be distributed to Chicago hospitals so they can vaccinate frontline doctors and nurses only. Widespread vaccines for the general population still months away.
It would be a terrible tragedy if we were to let our guard down now.
The hard reality, Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot says, is that we're still very vulnerable, with Chicago's COVID-19 infection rate still over 13%, with the northwest and southwest sides registering an alarming 20 to 26% rate of infection. But the road ahead starting to make itself clear, with Chicago expected to receive 100 to 150,000 doses by year's end, with people needing 2 shots of the vaccine. The mayor also focused on equity when it comes to the hardest hit Black and brown communities.
Following the delivery of that first round, we will be opening vaccination clinics for healthcare workers by appointment only in late December and into early January.
The news comes with concerns about a pair of allergic reactions in the United Kingdom, which started vaccinating their citizens yesterday. England's director of the National Health Service warning, quote, any person with a history of a significant allergic reaction to a vaccine, medicine, or food should not receive the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. Vaccines should only be carried out in facilities where resuscitation measures are available. British medical regulators putting out assurances that the Pfizer-BioNTech shot is as safe as any general vaccine. A doctor's office or local hospital administering your shot, your safest option, experts say, if you're prone to strong allergic reactions. Consult with your doctor before getting vaccinated.
With a true allergic reaction, people react immediately after the dose with symptoms such as hives, swelling of the skin, trouble breathing, drop in blood pressure, and it needs to be treated immediately.
The vaccine distribution begins with the state of Illinois, slated to get an initial 109,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine in the days ahead, including those first 23 doses for Chicago. All this expected to become official tomorrow when the Federal Food and Drug Administration and the CDC are expected to sign off on the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines.